Hello, welcome. In this session, we are going to write an automatic test. Okay, once you finish your smart contract and can deploy it to your test network or your local network, you need to do testing. Okay, make sure your function can work properly. Okay, so let's start to write your automatic test. Okay, so the first things we need to install, open our project folder, and then we are going to install the package. Install save -div and chart. Okay, and once you install, you can come back to here, because now I already installed, so I don't need to execute it again. Okay, so under the test folder, I will create a new file for testing. So box point test.js. Okay, first things we need to include our testing package. Okay, so it's and require equal to require and chart. Okay, the second we need to declare our smart contract and equal to require. This is for the travel. Provide this function. Okay, so next is our contract. Our testing case name is boxing. Okay, and function. Okay, before we write a test case, we need to deploy our smart contract before every test case. So in here we need to write before each and async function deploy our smart contract. Okay. Okay, so this will be ready. Next, we are going to write our first test case. Okay, the test case we are going to do restore the value and verify the return value is correct. So retriever return value previous stored. Okay, then async function. Now we are going to call our function. Smart contract function is function store 42 and spec await this class retriever and 2.2 string to equal 42. Okay, this will be our first test case. I'll see whether it can work properly. So now we can come back to our command line to write a travel test. The smart contract and check in. There is not a function. Something not spell wrong. Oh, okay, I spelled wrong. Okay, try again. Okay, it passed. Okay, so next we are going to do more complicated testing. First is event, second is exception. Okay, so before this we need to install another package. npm install -save -div and add open link. Test help. Okay. Let's provide some function for us to do the more deep testing. It will take more longer to install the package. I think it will be okay. Finish. So we are come back to our code. In here we can pn is a big number, and then we need to testing the event. So we spread event and revert spread revert. Okay. And equal to require test helpers. Okay, so let's apply this function. First we need a declare constant value new en 42. Okay, big number will be used a lot in your smart contract. I believe if you are working on the DeFi projects, okay, because it's all about the number, so usually we'll use a big number. Okay, one more thing is we need to input users. First account is owner, second account is other. Okay, so here we need to change from owner because when who deploy the smart contract, who will be owner. Okay, so the value here, so I can change. But in here we also have more specific who call this function. Okay, then because now we use the big number, so this will be removed, and it's to be big number equal to value. Okay, so let's see whether it's correct. Okay, no problem. Okay, we are going to write our second test case. Okay. The second test case is our test event. Make sure the smart contract, when the store function is called, will be you can see the event. Event set is a sync function. Okay, let's go constant. Now we call await list pass store value set. Here you need must be full call each function. Okay, so now we to verify event, so expect and receive. The second variable is event name. We can go back to our smart contract. Our event name is this one. Value change. Okay. So come back. Value change. The third is the return value. We need to see new value. New value equal to value. Okay, let's take a look. Test. Yeah, it's correct. Now I change the event name and then try again. Remember, you need the testing is not just for correct, you also need the testing for the wrong one. Okay, make sure your test case is correct. Oh, we just say it failed. Okay, so our test case is work. Okay, now we need to write the third test case. Okay, so no non-owner cannot store a value. So okay, so await revert this pass store value from other not owner. Then you will come out the message. Okay, it's here. So now we are go back here to write. Okay, then finish. We can do the testing again. We are come out. Passing. Yeah, it's correct. Okay, now we need the testing the wrong one. Set plus 111 and then testing again. See like wrong, right? Because the want to get the return is this one, but we put it here is this one. It's different. Okay, did not meet our expectation. Okay, so now we check back. Okay, this all for the testing case. The next we need to come back to our page to here to write your script, travel test. Don't expect everyone, someone take your code, they know the travel. So usually we will write here to write script around the next developer take your code can run. Just API run test. Yeah, save. Okay. This is a way how to write the automatic testing. Okay, I think this is all. Let's go back to see what we learned in this chart. Session we learned how to setting up the testing environment, also write the unit testings, and perform a complicated assertion. Okay, this is how do automatic testing for the smart contract. Hope it is useful. If you have any question, welcome to leave a message to me. I will try to answer you as soon as possible. See you in next session.